Introducing Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi. Convenience and security maximized. With features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, smart auto lock that will trigger only when your door is closed, and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is modern home security, a smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors like Airbnb guests temporary access codes. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered from anywhere you are. Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and a dynamic key make every single data transfer secure, so you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use the backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi with the rest of your smart home and use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
This is the Lockly Smart Lock. The patented keypad is powered by Pin Genie, an advanced algorithm system that protects your access codes from being guessed by unwanted guests. Digits are distributed randomly across 4 buttons and are different every time, making it hard to guess the correct sequence. An advanced 3D fingerprint sensor can store up to 99 fingerprints and only recognizes physical fingers, preventing the use of lifted or replicated prints, allowing those registered access. With the app, you'll be able to manage who comes and goes and grant access to guests even if you're not there. Best of all, with Lockly's patent-pending offline access code, Lockly is the only smart lock in the world that does not need to connect to the internet to receive access requests and allows guests to unlock with their unique access code. The codes automatically get revoked after your preset duration, making remote management simple even if your lock is located in a location without internet access. Lockly Secure works universally for most doors and is available in Deadbolt and Latch editions. Lockly, come home secure.
Introducing the new Securam Touch Fingerprint Smart Lock, the high-security smart lock for your front door. Using keys to open the front door is a thing of the past. Just one touch with your finger, and you're in. Get notified when family members arrive home safe and sound. The Securam Touch locks behind you automatically when you arrive and when you leave. You can check the status of your door using the Securam app. Create single-use, time-limited codes for whoever needs access to your home. And get notifications right to your phone, so you're always in control. The app lets you remotely lock and unlock your door from wherever you are, as if you were home. The Securam Touch Smart Lock is tough. It resists the harshest weather conditions. Its long battery life, milled metal casing, and stainless steel deadbolt will stand the test of time. Connect to Alexa for voice commands. Use the Smart Hub to connect all your Securam devices, like window sensors and smart safe locks. Install in just minutes. All you need is a screwdriver. The Securam app is available on both Android and iOS devices.
Do you hear that? That's the sound of your door automatically unlocking as you return home. Introducing the Bosma Aegis, a new smart home door lock which locks and unlocks using your phone's Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and automatically locks when the door is closed. In fact, this lock will alert you if your door is left open, doing so without the use of an external sensor. The Bosma Aegis is one simple and versatile piece of hardware. Your physical keys will still work fine, but this lock does a whole lot more. Pair it with the Bosma Sentry Snap-on Fingerprint Scanner, and you can even unlock your door with the press of a finger, or unlock your door from your phone while you're away. It's easy to share access with your family members and grant temporary access to your friends or guests. And with the activity history, you'll always know who's coming and going. Complete with unbreakable AES 128 encryption, no one gets in your home if you don't want them to be there. Easy to install in a matter of minutes using only a screwdriver, the Bosma Aegis is made specifically for the standard US Deadbolt, ideal for renters who may not be able to alter their door's locks. You hear that? That's the sound of peace of mind.
An ordinary camera with an ordinary doorbell and an even more ordinary door lock. Huh, boring. This is 2022. It's time for 3-in-1 integration with Eufy Security Video Smart Lock.